How's it going, guys? Scotty here. Today we're going to be addressing a problem that's not critical but been a slight annoyance over the last year or so, and that is my driveway. You see, it's a little dirty. It's basically just like sand and mud now. A while ago, long time ago, this would have been a really nice driveway. This is what it used to be. It's like 1/2-inch crushed quartz, but all of that has been sort of taken over by weeds and just stuff like just sandy dirt like this, which gets on our shoes. We track it into the house every time a car comes in to the garage here. It gets a coating of sand on the tires, and then that gets tracked into the garage every single time, and I mean, it creates a big mess, and then eventually it just gets everywhere. It's on the carpets, all that sand. It's in the mud room. It's really, and eventually it all finds its way into the house. It makes a very dirty house a lot. So also, and I don't really like the way it looks. You can tell the way it used to look. You know, sort of, you can get an idea sort of what it used to look like. Nice and white crushed quartz. We have actually here, it's nice and packed. These are like almost like three-quarter inch crushed quartz stones. So it would have been really nice. It's a little worn out. It's coming apart a little bit. I want to redo this. Up here in Quebec, there's a lot of really nice quarries with beautiful quartz mountains, you know, so a lot of those mountains are harvested, and different, you know, it's got good material up here in Quebec, good nice material. So beautiful white quartz. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start weeding and getting all these weeds out of the way, and the truck will be here in a couple hours, and then we'll have a lot of shoveling and raking and sorting through things for a lot. So let's get right to this. We'll see you soon.
Okay then. Good listening, Zoe. Good job.
Well, I figured this will pack down nice. Oh, Zoe, there's some thunder.
How do you turn to the right?
Yeah, I think that's how you do that. Yeah.
Well,
Just, well, that's your guess is as good. Like that should be right, I think.
I don't know how to turn
So you would have to bring this back so that stops that other side there. So theoretically, yeah, like that. Yeah. just practice it with it for a bit there. Okay.
Really hard time changing.
Yeah, I think. Well, it's all the way to the. All the way to the. Good. Yeah. Awesome. Good. Yeah. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Let me. Maybe if. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Keep going. You got a big pile in your shovel here. Keep pulling it back. Yeah, keep going. Up. Pull your blade up. Cool. You got like a little pile there. It's good. Keep going. Oh, you got a big bunch. You got a bunch of gravel with you.
Yeah, but I'm going over the grass. I'm gonna turn it.
Yeah, see if just keep practicing. Oh, perfect. Perfect. What's mommy doing? Man. Pretty finicky, eh? Nice, yeah. Here.
You lift her up?
Yeah. Good, good, good. Excellent. Really nice. Beautiful. Oh. Nice work. Nice job. That was perfect. Seems like this tire is flat. Should probably put some air in. You know. Nice, Jayla, nice. Beautiful, awesome. Doing a great job. Doing a really good job. Keep going, doing a really good job. right there, Jayla. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. It's perfect. Beautiful, perfect, perfect. A couple more just like that, I think. It's looking good, Jayla, looking good. Okay, that's about all we got time for today. Pretty tired here. I may have made a big mistake here. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really hoping that this packs down. I never had any issues in the wintertime with any water coming into the garage or anything like that. But what I've done is I've now raised this, and I just didn't think, I mean, it's my first time doing this, so I didn't know that a dump truck, there's a lot of material in that dump truck. There's about, I mean, the problem is that it's like quicksand now. It's really thick. I mean, that is, oh my God, it's at least 2 inches thick. This, I don't know if we need that much. So I've been trying to like dig some of it out and maybe put it alongside the house, but I'm not sure. So I'm just leave it at this today and spread this out a little bit alongside of the house here. But I may need a little bit more work here. Might need to remove some material and kind of shift it around a bit. It might be a couple weeks of raking and packing and all that kind of stuff. Neighbor has a compactor, so it does look good, but you know, I think you know, like, you know, big heavy vehicles might get stuck in that. You know, 2 inches of 2 to 5 millimeter stone quartz. It's pretty small stuff. It's nice, but I don't need that much of it. I shouldn't have. So I think I'm going to need to adjust this. Likely dig out some of this area and keep spreading it out. Yeah, I think that's the best I'm going to do. Is I think I'll just keep spreading it out, and hopefully hopefully one day it'll be okay. But anyways, that's it for today. Kind of adventure here. It's nice stuff, but it's just you know, needs a little bit of a adjustment. So no worries. Not the end of the world, I don't think. We're going to work on this and make sure that it's proper and not going to cause problems. I mean, we've got to be able to drive our cars over this without getting stuck. But I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section here. I do like it. It's nice material, but it's on there a little too thick and it's loose. So I'm not sure if it's possible to compact that down. Need a steamroller, a compactor of some kind. So we'll see if we can get our hands on a compactor, and we'll keep you posted on this project here. Scotty out. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed that video. See you soon.